competition among airlines is more fierce than ever. Would-be passengers can choose from a variety of companies, all of whom want to sell them discount flight tickets. Of course, Sterling wants that too, but it doesn't stop there. Welcome to a brand new world of travel. Welcome to 60 Minutes of Fun. It's a special day at the hangar here in Copenhagen's Kastrup Airport.
Skal der lidt sødt til kaffen? Ja, så har jeg den her dejlige sandwich med kylling. Jeg har en.
The cabin manager doesn't have much to offer. The flight attendant sounds like a mixture of an MTV and a radio host.
Tag din egen maske på, før du assisterer børn eller andre, der behøver hjælp.
The passengers are out of the ordinary. They are Sterling employees about to experience something they never have before. They'll be the first to try 60 Minutes of Fun.
Super spændende. Ja.
Godmorgen!
A handful of employees and the management are putting the new idea to the test.
I dag er en ret spændende dag. Det er kulminationen på et lang tids arbejde, som vi har arbejdet med her. Og inden jeg går i gang...
60 Minutes